Hey friends, today's video is sponsored by Dollar General and I'm showing y'all how I did this textured afro. Really easy, just did 4 braids. As you're gonna see in this tutorial, I hit up Dollar General to actually go ahead and get some lotion and some deodorant, and it was super easy to also swing by to the beauty aisle and pick up these products by Creme of Nature to do this textured style. I actually ended up throwing in the head wrap at the end because I just wanted a little something, a little to jazz it up. And I actually really like it. So either way, with the wrap, without the wrap, it's a cute, super easy style, stretch style, especially for the humidity honey. And yes, we have our resident baby here who is not trying to let mama alone. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. Is that funny? And I actually used my Dollar General app, and I got the Dollar General DG digital coupons, and I saved $5 off of my order, honey. So make sure you use that app to get your coupons whenever you're shopping at Dollar General. Go ahead and keep watching. You'll see all the products that I used in my hair, and let me know what you think. Cute, right? Cute, cute. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is wash and condition my hair. I'm using this conditioning shampoo by Creme of Nature. We go ahead and lather that on, rinse it out, and once all that's rinsed out, follow up with my conditioner from Creme of Nature as well. And I'm using a detangling brush to go ahead and comb that through from root to tip. Once that's been combed through, I follow up, rinse it out, and we're good. We go ahead and use our leave-in spray conditioner, and this is after my hair has dried just a little bit. Comb that through, follow up with my blow dryer, and I use a blow dry brush. But remember, the goal here is not to straighten the hair, so because I want to have volume, so I'm doing a very light blow dry with cool heat through already mostly dried hair. Follow up here with my mousse, again by Creme of Nature. This is a very, very light product because again, we don't want anything to provide weight to the hair. We want big, puffy hair. That's my goal anyway. And I'm just putting my hair, sectioning it, and doing 4 very easy, very simple braids in my hair. And once the hair has been braided up, you just leave the braids in. I left mine in overnight, and then I took edge control. Don't forget that. Make sure those edges are nicely laid, honey. And you can throw some on more in the morning if you want to, but this is the final look. Very easy. You can leave it as is, or you can throw on a nice little headscarf here to add a little bit of something extra. I like to be a little bit extra, child. And this is pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for sponsoring Dollar General.